All right, who's down for some chicken gyros? I know I am. So we're gonna get into this. Starting off with some killer chicken from Good Ranchers. I want to get this marinated, and I will put this marinade down below. There's quite a few ingredients to go into that. So I marinated for a couple hours, but go overnight to add some more flavor. This was a couple hours later. I'm gonna pull that chicken out, get off some of that marinade, and then that's it. I'm gonna install the Meter 2 Plus probe to hit that perfect internal temp. I'm gonna go hot and fast. I'm gonna get this. We want to get some of those grill marks because all that's gonna do is add to the flavor. As you can see here, I'm gonna rotate these. I want to get those perfect grill marks as you see there, and that's it. Hit that 165 internal. Pull that probe out, start slicing it, and we're gonna start building this gyro. So, starting off with the chicken, I did make a scratch-made tzatziki, which I will put down below as well. The simple recipe. I'm gonna go with some red onions, tomato, Kalamata olives, dill, pretty much your classic flavors for a gyro. These were a hit, and the family's already asking for more.